Fresh out of college, full of energy and optimism, two longtime friends pooled their savings to embark on an adventure that would only fully take shape many years later. They scraped together enough money to buy a stunning piece of land, surrounded on three sides by the largest national monument in the United States, Grand Staircase-Escalante, in Utah. There, they found paradise. After countless camping trips, cocktails, and fond memories, and with retirement on the horizon, the two friends decided to take that little slice of heaven to the next level. They invited Imbue Design to help bring to life the vision they had nurtured for decades. Together, they created this modest desert home, a place to slow down and soak in the profound stillness of the landscape. Escalante Retreat honors the essence of this special place and embraces a simple life in nature, while minimizing impact on the land. The house rests gently at the base of a bluff, right where rock and vegetation meet. This placement reduces visual impact from a distance while preserving breathtaking views from the interior. Outdoor spaces wrap around all sides of the house. The living room opens onto a floating deck that overlooks the distant view. The kitchen connects to a patio carved directly into the sandstone. Built with rugged materials that reflect the desert surroundings, such as corten steel, split-face concrete block, and cedar, the house blends naturally into the landscape and ages alongside it. The form is simple: 2 volumes with sloped roofs, joined by clerestory windows, creating a layout that is both understated and striking, opening the spaces to the desert light, views, and breezes. To endure the harsh desert climate and its extreme temperature shifts, the house relies on several passive strategies: deep roof overhangs for shading, thermal mass to absorb heat, and strategically placed operable windows for cross-ventilation. It also features a tightly sealed and highly insulated thermal envelope, along with high-performance glazing. Miles away from the nearest infrastructure, the house was designed to be entirely off-grid and self-sustaining. A detached photovoltaic array provides power, a well supplies water, and a septic system handles sanitation. The bedrooms share an elevated outdoor tub, perfect for bathing under the stars. More than just a shelter, Escalante Retreat is a gesture of respect toward the landscape. A home where simplicity takes center stage, and the silence of the desert becomes part of the architecture.